Hope everyone's having a great day. Today we're working on a 2005 Chevy Silverado 2500hd duramax, and we are doing a blower motor. I have a brand new GM motor with the wheel. So we're gonna go ahead and pop that in real quick. The beautiful thing about these are there's no bolts that hold them in. It's just you pull the tab, you just pull it, bend it back, turn it out, pop it out, which is really, really nice. That's my I like doing these because they're not too bad. These covers are kind of a pain though. It's the Achilles heel of this. So we're gonna start. These are 7mm bolts. These are very, very difficult to get back in. I think there's 3. Yeah, there's 1 over there, but we're not gonna mess with that. Hopefully you can see. I have the camera in a weird place. So right here's the blower motor. We're not gonna take this all the way out. This bolt is kind of, there's one of these way back up in there. It's quite difficult to do, to get to, and to put it back in. So I don't even like messing with it. This is a really, really easy blower motor. So let me get you in here a little bit better. And we're just gonna bend it to the side, not bend it, but just move it to the side. There's no stress on it, it won't break. Here's the blower motor. So we gotta get the electrical connector off. I have to push on it. I'm gonna try to do this and find a place to put the camera. Probably gonna see my arm again, but that's okay. So let me reach around, and then I think this is it. I can't really see it or feel it. Okay. And the good thing to do is when you're down on these GMs, is to check this connector and this connector right here. These connectors love to burn up. More so on this one has automatic climate control, but they love to burn up on the manuals. I've actually seen a dash catch on fire because of this harness caught on fire inside here. But the manual ones, they have, I think, 7 pins that go in there. It's a big connector with big wires. So to get this off, I just pushed on this tab, this little tab right here. You push through it right there, pull it out. Really, really simple. And then the blower motor, sorry, camera's a little funky today. So the tab is actually over here. Hopefully you can see it. I'm gonna bend it down and just twist it. I'm gonna twist it to the right, and then you just take it out. It's kind of tight from what I remember getting these out. So this one has a floor mat. I'm gonna pull the floor mat, and I might have to take under the carpet a little bit. Nope, came right out like butter. Look at that. It's right on the ground. And the reason why we're replacing this blower motor is on like low speed, it sounded like the belt was squeaking. I went and test drove this truck and I thought the belt was squeaking, but as soon as I turned the climate control off, the noise went away. You know, the bearings are probably going bad in the motor, so I have the new motor, and remember this connector is going to face that way, but we're just trying to get it set in there. You just want to be careful not to damage the blower wheel. So you kind of should be a little gentle with it. Don't be too rough. Okay. Now that we've got that in there, I can't really see, but I can feel. Make sure you don't smash the wiring in there like I just did. So make sure this is out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead and you'll feel it. It'll pop right in. I think it goes like that. Nope. There you go, just like that. Now the tab, when you do it, I'll show you again. So you can see how it starts right there. You're gonna start right there, push up a little bit. See how it's nice and tight. And you can look at it, it's all even. It's not loose. So we're good now. Let's go ahead and plug it back in. And then we're put this cover on, which I don't really like to do. These are kind of a pain in the butt for me, but it is what it is. They're really not that bad. I usually start them by hand first. So I usually like to do this one first. The reason is because it has a locator. If you can see in there, see how it'll locate it right straight. So you want to get that straight, and then we'll start this one. And you can use a mirror and see it. Sometimes I do. Just depends. If it fights me, then I will. And then we're gonna put the one back here next. This one is a little bit of a pain as well, because honestly trying to find the hole is kind of ridiculous. It doesn't have the locator like the front one, so you're kind of just poking in the dark, which it is what it is. That might be one that I grab a mirror for, because it's being quite difficult. And this is how that one is over there, the one in the back corner. It's very hard to line it up. I've taken it out before on my truck because I had to do the actuator right there, and it's just... honestly, I don't think I put it back in my truck, but in a customer truck, it has to go back. Okay, you're not gonna crazy tighten those. Then we're gonna go ahead and test the blower motor. We'll go ahead and turn the key on. And then see, this is what I mean by automatic climate control. See how it has the two knobs? Manual has the two knobs, but they're click style. These are just for the temperature. It turned on. Oh, the screen doesn't work now. That's nice. I think the rheostat's all the way down. Yep, there we go. The rheostat was all the way down. Okay, so you can see we have all of our speeds. Okay, perfect. So it's all good. That's how you do a blower motor on one of these. And the resistor's right next to it. If it doesn't blow on all the speeds, on these, it's usually the resistor goes bad. And it's pulse width modulated signal. So it's kind of, you need kind of a scope to check it, kind of. Yeah, I used to use a multimeter. You just want to watch the voltage change as you increase the speed. But sometimes you won't be able to see it, depending on the speed you have, the speed of the multimeter. But yeah, that's it. But hopefully you have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, bye.